Welcome to Protex Live Studio, and this is Ray, and a sales engineer from Protex. And today our main topic is top 5 Spc Flooring in the USA market. Before our main topic, and please do not forget to follow up us. So if you have any questions, if you have any requirements of the samples and of our companies, you can send the message and our sales teams will contact you. So let's go to our topic. Today we want to suggest to you maybe top 5 or 5 main SPC floorings in the American market. So firstly, when we talk about the SPC flooring, I think you may not mention that it's not the first flooring in the market. Yeah, and before the SPC flooring, it also has LVT, also you call it LVP flooring. It's like the drawback or glue down, and also it has the peel and stick. It's commonly used in the home renovation, and you can do it by yourself. It's what we call DIY, so it's very easy. It's very interesting for you to do the home renovation. So sometimes you may choose the hardwood, you may choose the engineer wood, and also we also use laminate. Compared to this flooring, and SPC flooring has its own advantages. Of course, firstly, it's waterproof. And compared to the wood flooring and engineered wood flooring, it's not waterproof, and the SPC flooring's main material is the PVC powder and the stone powders. So it's waterproof, and also it's non-formous. So we can call it its environment flooring, and also it has click systems. Compared to the laminate flooring and also the hardwood flooring or the engineered wood flooring, the click systems in SPC flooring is more easy to connect, and so it will be more easier for you in the installation. Let me talk about why we suggest you the 5 main SPC flooring. So, and the first one is this one. This is white, and this is the shadow colors. Yes, it's white colors. In the market, some people and some clients would like to use white colors, especially the shadow colors to decorate the house, and also it has European oak. Yeah, so it will be more elegant in the whole house, especially used in the home decoration. Okay. So another one is, we also call it maybe the country oak, and also it's used in the USA market. It's more popular, and it's also more white than the shadow colors. Okay. So, and the third one is the green colors, and the green colors is also popular in the market because it's kind of matched with other colors and other decorations. Okay. So this one is kind of WPC flooring. It's also a kind of rigid core flooring, yes, but it's not SPC, it's WPC flooring. But sometimes in the market, there are some clients still using the WPC flooring because I think this one is more like has the great foot feel than the SPC flooring. Yes, when we're working on the flooring. Okay, so this is several wood colors. And also, this has the stone colors. The stone colors sometimes we may use in the bathroom. The bathroom we may use the wood colors, and we can use the SPC flooring to replace the tiles. It's also waterproof, so it can use in the bathroom. We've talked about these 5 main products. Let's have to introduce what's the structures of them and what's the difference between these floorings. It's not just the difference in the colors. The colors maybe is kind of popular in the market, and also it has other difference. Okay, so when we considering to select a flooring, and the first one maybe you see is the colors, and you see the colors different, and you will select the colors you want. Also select the colors you want to match on your home. The size is 180 millimeters, 1220 millimeters. This is a common size. We also call it 7 multiply 48 inch. It's a kind of size popular in the market. Okay, so you can see this one is also 7 multiply 48 inch, but this one is different. Of course, some clients think the width is not big, so they want the big plank. They want to show their house, want to show their decoration home is more wide, so they will need to the wide plank. So this one is 228 or maybe 227. This one is wider than the 118. This kind of SPC flooring popular in the market, especially in the Armstrong and also in the Mohawk. They have collections to sell this one, this white SPC flooring. So this one is also different. You can see that the size is 300 millimeters multiply 1600 millimeters. It's like kinda like tiles, because the surface is stone colors, so the size needs to be similar to the tiles or ceramic tiles. This is the difference of the size, and also it has a difference in the thickness. SPC flooring's main material is the stone powder, so if the thickness is too thick, it will be more heavy. Okay, because the density is big than the wood flooring. And this one thickness is 6.0 millimeters, so it's very heavy and it's simply like stone when you work on it. And also, we just see that this WPC is more light, and also it has more foot feel when we are working on it. So this is the thickness different, and this one is 4 millimeters. Okay, it's thinner than the 6 millimeters, and this one is 4.5 millimeters. Okay, this is the thickness difference. So the thickness difference may affect your budget. Okay, if you have more budget, you can use the thinner one. Because it will be more stable. Even it's heavy, but it will be more stable when your installation on the floor, on the ground. And also we have the wear layer difference. In the residential site and also the commercial site, the requirement of the wear layer is different. And in the home, the wear layer is maybe more thinner, and you may use the 0.3, and also in the commercials we may use the 0.5 millimeters or 0.7 millimeters. So this is the wear layer, and the wear layer is on the SPC flooring surface, but it also covers the deck film, so it also protects the deck film to anti-scratch. The clients may use the padding on the SPC flooring to improve the foot feel. And this is one WPC don't have the padding. This SPC has the XP padding. Okay, this has 1.5 millimeters XP padding on the backing. So the padding's function is to improve the ground level. It's one of function, and also it will be more softer when you working on the flooring. So when it's installed in the ground, it has the padding. It will be more softer when you're working on it. So it can also, we call it exhausting and layment. It has the sound isolation functions for the padding. And also for padding, it has the XP and also the EVA padding. So if you have more budget, you can use the XP, and also this one is costly. It's the EVA padding, and this one is the EVA padding. So it's the difference of these. This flooring in the residential use or the home use, and also when we use it in the commercial sites, we get the client's feedback that it's not enough to use the wear layer. Even use 0.5 or 0.7 millimeters wear layer, it's still not enough in the heavy commercial sites. It will also be damaged by maybe the shaft object, or maybe the woman's high heel shoes. So in the commercial side, so we develop a new product. We call it the MSPC. We think it will be popular, especially in the commercial size, because it has the super anti-scratch abilities. So if you want to use it in the heavy commercial size, and we suggest you to use our MSPC flooring. Yes, because it's really anti-scratch. Okay, so let's have a conclusion about the top 5 main SPC floorings and the related products we think will be popular in the market. Okay, the first we said is home use. The home use has several types. The first one is the shade colors, and shade colors with white colors to decorate. and also the green colors is the kind of match. Okay, so and also this one is the country oak, SPC, and also this one is a white plank, and this SPC flooring is stone colors, so it's kind of different size and also different surface, or we call it colors. Okay, and also we introduce the size and the thickness and also the wear layer thickness. Okay, and then we suggest you to use the padding, maybe XP or maybe the UA padding is also okay. Okay, so then we talk about it in the commercial sites. We suggest you to use our MSPC flooring. It's more anti-scratch in the heavy commercial sites. If you have interest in your products, you can contact us. We will send you the sample screen. Okay. So we also have the colors, sample colors, also as a sample book for you. This is also the SPC flooring sample book. And if you want to get it, and you can contact us. And we also have a catalog, maybe the e-catalog or the. Let's go there next time. Okay, thank you.